Module 2, Packaging Processes and Applications. 2.1 Introduction to Packaging. Packaging is much more than wrapping a product. It serves multiple functions. Protection, shielding products from physical damage, contamination, and environmental effects. Preservation, extending the shelf life of food, pharmaceuticals, and perishable goods. Communication, conveying brand identity, usage instructions, and regulatory information. Convenience, enabling easy transport, storage, and usage. In global markets, packaging is often the first point of interaction between a product and the consumer. 2.2 Materials in packaging. Just like manufacturing, packaging requires careful material selection. Common packaging materials include paper and cardboard, used in cartons, boxes, and labels. Plastics, versatile and lightweight, used in bottles, films, and containers. Glass, used for beverages, pharmaceuticals, and cosmetics, offering excellent barrier properties. Metals, aluminum cans, tin containers, and foils for durability and preservation. Biodegradable materials, gaining popularity due to environmental concerns. The choice depends on product type, durability, transportation conditions, and cost. 2.3 Packaging Processes. The process of packaging involves several stages. Designing the package, balancing functionality, branding, and regulatory requirements. Fabricating packaging materials, through molding, forming, printing, or lamination. Filling and sealing, automated systems ensure efficiency and precision. Labeling includes instructions, expiry dates, barcodes, and legal compliance. Testing, packages are tested for durability, leakage, and environmental resistance. Advanced packaging technologies include vacuum sealing, modified atmosphere packaging, and smart packaging that uses sensors to monitor freshness. 2.4 Global role of packaging. Packaging is central to supply chains and consumer behavior. In logistics, it ensures safe transport across long distances. In marketing, attractive and functional packaging can influence consumer decisions. In sustainability, recyclable and eco-friendly packaging is a major trend. Governments and international organizations regulate packaging materials and labeling to ensure consumer safety and environmental responsibility. 2.5 Skills in packaging. Working in packaging requires skills such as understanding materials and machinery, knowledge of automation and robotics in packaging lines, awareness of regulations and sustainability standards, creativity in design and innovation. In Module 2, we explored packaging as a critical stage in manufacturing. We examine its functions, materials, processes, role in global supply chains, and the skills required for success in packaging industries. Course conclusion. We have now completed the course on processes of manufacturing and packaging. Module 1 introduced manufacturing principles, covering materials, fabrication, quality assurance, and essential skills. Module 2 covered packaging processes, from material selection and design to testing, regulation, and global impact. Together, these modules provide a comprehensive understanding of how raw materials are transformed into finished, packaged products that meet global standards. The manufacturing and packaging industries remain fast-paced, highly technical, and globally competitive, requiring professionals who understand principles, processes, and quality requirements.